Hey guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing very well. And here in this session, we are going to discuss a very important question on computer networks. And this question was also asked in GATE CS 2012 and ISRO 2017, the same question. So let's start. The question here is an internet service provider ISP has the following chunk of CIDR based IP addresses available with it. So the CIDR based IP addresses which is available with the internet service provider is 245.248.128.0/20, right? This 20 is indicating of the subnet bits. The ISP wants to give half of this chunk to addresses to organization B. So this ISP want to give half of this half IP addresses from this one to organization A and a quarter to organization B, while retaining the remaining with itself. Okay, so which of the following is a valid allocation to an address to A and B? So guys, you can understand this problem like that. The IP addresses which we have here is 248 dot 245 first octet dot 248 second octet dot 128 third octet dot 0, that is fourth octet, and 20, right? So you can understand it like that. It is nothing but complete ISP, right? This is a part of complete ISP like that. And by this, among this complete, half it wants to give to organization A, quarter to organization B, and remaining it will hold with itself. Okay, no problem. So if you will see A, right, this is the part of A, it is the part of B, and this is the remaining part, right? Remaining part which it will hold with itself. Now, the question here is that this CIDR is with us. So how we will divide this CIDR so that we can allot half chunk to organization A, quarter to B, and remaining it with hold with itself. So you can understand it like that. The address that we have is 245.248.128. So to 128 we can write it like 1,0,0,0,0,0,0 and dot 0, right? It consisted of complete 8 bits and then 20 we have. So in that case, it is our original ISP. It is our original IP address. It do have with ISP, right? ISP have this CIDR block. Now what we want to divide it into half, exact half, so that we can allot it to A. So in order to divide it exact half, what I will do? For dividing a complete IP address to half, I need to take 1 bit, means either 0 or 1. So either this 0, by taking this 0, I can divide it 1, or by taking 1 on the place of this, I can divide it. So if I will take this 0, so what my IP become 245.248.1000. 0 is there, which I took from here, and now remaining is 000.0. As I took 10 from this, so it is now 21, and the remaining is either I can convert it into 0 or 1. So 245.248.1000, and on the place of 0 I will put 1, and remaining is itself 000.021. So either I can allot this much IP address to A, or I can allot this much to A, right? It depends, because both are half parts. Either I can do this, or either I can allot this. Both are half parts. Now, as we don't know that which half part we are allotting to A, so we need to further divide this into again 2 and again 2. Why? Because now the quarter 1 will be allocated to B. So quarter 1 can be allocated from this much, or quarter 1 can be allotted to this much, because we don't know that which half we are allotting to A. After converting into the next half, we will check it from the options. So if I want to convert this part of the IP address, if I want to convert this part of the IP address into half, or this part of the IP address to the half, right? What I need to do? I need to take one more bit from here. I will take one more bit here. So it will make a combination of 0, 0, 0, 1, and it will make a combination of 1, 0 and 1, 1. So you can check it like the next half part that I am doing from this is 245.248.10000 and this 0, right? So these two zeros are there, and then I have 0, 0, 0. As I took one more 0 from this block, so now it becomes 22 because we have come to another half from this. And 245.248.10000, and this is 1, right? 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and it is 0, 0.0, 22. It is fourth octet. It is fourth octet. Okay, so don't get confused here. So what I did from this bunch of IP addresses, I again divide this into further half, equal halves. So this is the IP addresses. This is nothing but 245.248.100, that is 128.0/22, and it is 1. I have 1 here. So 128 plus 012, 012, that is 4, means 132. So it is 245 plus 248 plus 132.0/22. Now I will again divide this bunch into next half, next two halves, because I don't know na, that whether I am allotting this to A or this to A. So if I will convert this bunch of IP addresses into equal half, what I will get? 245.248.1000. I already have 1 with it. 1 is, so one combination is 10 and then 00.0/22 or 245.248.1000001, and next one is 1, and it is 00.0/22. So this part is nothing but 245.248. It will remain common. So if you'll convert this 8, so it is nothing but 136.0 and /22. As space is not there, that is why I write it like 245.248.136.0/22, and this one, this is nothing but, you can write it like 245.248.1 and 11. So I need 8412. So it is 140.0 and /22. So if you will observe carefully here, guys, if you will observe carefully, very carefully here, you will get to know that, I convert this into these two halves, and I converted this into these two halves. Okay. So this IP address is further converted to this half, this IP address converted further into this halves. Now, just focus here. That if we take option, then 24 is there, so it is nothing in the option, so D is eliminated itself. And if you'll observe here that 245.248.132.0.22 is in the option, yes, it is in the option. So if we are allotting this part, means it is the quarter part, because we have 22, means it is a quarter part. If we are allocating to this to B, then this IP address will be the part of A. Is it so? 245.248.132.132. Is it so, guys? Is it so? Just observe here. 245.248.132. Is it 132? 1 is here, right? So 128 plus 8, 136 it is. It is not 132, it is 136. That is why it is again eliminated. Why C is eliminated? Because if we are allocating this to B, because we have 22 here, means it is quarter part, then half part will be go to this. But it is not so. That is why C is eliminated. If you see option B, then 128.0 to 28 means we are allocating the first part, that is this part, to A, as we have 21 here. So quarter part I have to allot, quarter part I have to allot from this bunch, but this bunch doesn't have 128 because this bunch have either 136 or 140, but here 128 we have, so it is also eliminated. Now remaining is only one, option A. If you will see here that 1.136.021 means I am allotting this part, I am finally allotting this part, this bunch, I am allotting this bunch to A. If I am allotting this bunch to A, then I need to allot the quarter one from this bunch. So this bunch means either 128 or 132 with 22. So here I have 128 with 22, that is 128 to 122. So it is the part of quarter B, that is organization B will hold this this IP address, and remaining part is this. It is the remaining part with the ISP, that is this one, that is 132 block, and 136 block means the complete second, this part completely second half, it will be allocated to organization A. So it is the exact, and you can say that valid allocation. So option A is the valid allocation of addresses to A and B. So option A is correct answer, guys. Further, if you have any kind of doubt or query in any step, just comment in the comment section and I will try to resolve your all doubts and queries as early as possible from my side. If you are finding any doubts in any part, that sir, in this step we have any kind of query that how you did that or like that, I will resolve that, right? But I think that if you will watch this video again and again, you will get to know that how we will solve this question, right? So guys, do subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video, and please share it with your friends too. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you so much.